Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some stuffed bell peppers. The recipe is for 2 persons and for that we need 4 big bell peppers, ground meat, white bread, a white onion, 2 spring onions, 1 egg, and we season with mustard, red paprika powder, pepper and salt. The bell peppers then get simmered in my homemade vegetable broth. If you don't want to use homemade vegetable broth, instant broth is just fine. So I start by taking out the core and the seeds, and I set the upper half aside. By the way, many recipes show you that the upper half ends up being part of the stuffing. I don't do that. I save the upper half for later because I close the lid like so and I cook them as a whole. That's the way my grandmother did it and that's the way how I do it. So now I start by putting all the other ingredients into the mixing bowl. The spring onions, the onions, paprika powder, pepper, salt, the egg, the mustard, and finally the white bread. So basically there are 2 ways to serve them. One is with potatoes and the other one is just the stuffed bell peppers in a delicious homemade vegetable broth. You can make your own homemade vegetable broth in just 30 minutes. When you click on this link up here, I show you how easy it is to make it yourself and how I store it for many days to use it for many dishes. I promise you, you will taste the difference and you won't use an instant broth ever again. So the white bread was in the water for about 15 minutes and is now completely soaked. It serves as a binder and it makes the stuffing really soft. I squeeze out all the water and then I put the crumbles into the mixing bowl as well. Then I mix everything together with my hands and I make sure that the white bread had been completely incorporated. So now we can finally fill the bell peppers. So when the bell peppers are filled, I put them in a pot. And then I pour in my homemade vegetable broth so that the bell peppers are about halfway in the liquid. I let it boil up briefly and then I let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After that time, my stuffed bell pepper is finally ready to get served. So that's it for today, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know how you liked my version of stuffed bell peppers. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more videos and don't forget to click on the bell to not miss the next one to come. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!